The ACTBEST Core Electric Bike for adults is an impressive machine that delivers a robust ride experience powered by a Ebike 1200W Brushless motor. This electric bike stands out for its combination of performance, design, and user-friendly features, making it suitable for both daily commuting and leisurely weekend rides. One of the first things that strikes you about the ACTBEST Core is its sleek and modern design. The bike has a sturdy aluminum frame that not only contributes to its overall durability but also keeps the weight manageable for an electric bike of its caliber. The finish is smooth, and the bike comes in a variety of color options, allowing users to select one that matches their style. The overall aesthetic is appealing, exuding a sporty vibe that will turn heads on the road. The heart of this electric bike is undoubtedly its powerful 1200W brushless motor. This motor provides impressive acceleration and top speeds that can reach up to 28 miles per hour, making it one of the more powerful options available in the market. Whether you are tackling steep inclines or navigating through busy city streets, the ACTBEST Core handles these challenges with ease. The motor is both quiet and efficient, which enhances the overall riding experience. The pedal assist feature allows riders to customize their level of assistance, giving you the freedom to choose how much effort you wish to exert while riding. Equipped with a 48V17.5 lithium-ion battery, the ACTBEST Core offers an impressive range of 40 to 60 miles on a single charge depending on the level of pedal assist used and the rider's weight. This makes it an excellent choice for longer commutes or extended outings without the worry of running out of power. The battery is removable, which adds convenience when it comes to charging, as you can easily take it indoors without having to haul the entire bike. The charging time is also relatively quick, averaging around 4 to 6 hours for a full charge. Comfort is another area where the ACTBEST Core excels. The bike is fitted with a high-quality suspension system that absorbs bumps and shocks, providing a smooth and comfortable ride on various terrains. The front suspension fork is adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune the setup according to their personal preference and riding conditions. The seat is cushioned and ergonomic, making it suitable for longer rides without causing discomfort. The bike features a 7-speed Shimano transmission system, which is a significant advantage for riders who prefer to have more control over their gear shifts. This system allows for smooth transitions between gears, enabling riders to adjust their pedaling effort based on the terrain. Whether you are riding uphill or cruising on flat roads, you will appreciate the versatility this gearing system provides. A critical feature in any electric bike is the braking system, and the ACTBEST Core does not disappoint. It is equipped with front and rear hydraulic disc brakes, offering excellent stopping power in various weather conditions. This feature enhances safety, ensuring that you can quickly and effectively respond to any potential hazards while riding. In terms of additional features, the ACTBEST Core comes with integrated LED lights for improved visibility during night rides. The bike also has a convenient LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, distance traveled, battery level, and assist level. This display is user-friendly and easy to read, ensuring that you can keep track of your performance while riding. Despite the numerous advantages, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The weight of the bike, while manageable, may be a bit on the heavier side for some riders, especially if they need to carry it upstairs or maneuver it in tighter spaces. Additionally, while the bike is designed for a range of user heights, it may not be the best fit for very short riders or those who prefer a lower step-through frame. Overall, the ACTBEST Core Electric Bike for adults delivers an impressive combination of power, comfort, and user-friendly features. It is ideal for those who seek a reliable and stylish electric bike that performs well in various conditions. Whether you are commuting to work, running errands, or simply enjoying a